Okay, you're all come back. We look at our third question, which is about vectors. And the first vector is p. The second one is q. So we have vector p and vector q, and they are given. So vector p is 7i minus 24j, and vector q equals to 13i minus 16j. In fact, vector p, it can also be written as 7 negative 24, and q can be written as 13 negative 16 in column forms like this. So we have been asked to find the distance OP. OP is a position vector, and so this p here is the same as the OP, the vector OP. So since we are asked to find distance, that's just magnitude of it. So OP, the distance OP, is equals to root of. So these are the values, so which we just have to take sum of the squares plus negative 24 squared. And so you do your arithmetic and you have that's 25 meters is distance. Yeah. Now we are asked to find the vector PQ. So in vectors PQ, vector PQ is equals to OQ minus OP. So this is a displacement vector which we can actually express in terms of position vectors, and by that we are having OQ minus OP. So you should know this already. And so this is simple. Our OQ, vector OQ is actually 13 negative 16 minus OP, which is 7 negative 24. And so if you do your arithmetic, you get 6 and then you get 8. So these are the answers to vector PQ, which we can write in the ij form as 6i plus 8j m, like this, just like in the original question that was given. Now they are saying we should find the distance. We should find the distance PQ, and so it's just the same as so x squared plus y squared, and then our x is 6 here, our y is 8. This becomes 6 squared plus 8 squared, and that is equals to 10 meters. 10 meters. That's all for that question. Let's see if we can move to the next question, which is here. Let's see. They are saying that a train takes 45 minutes to complete its 24-kilometer trip. It stops for 1 minute at each of 7 stations during the trip. This question, I'll advise that if you are solving questions of this nature, you convert everything into meters per second and solve your questions. And so here we are given a time of 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and this 45 minutes is the same as 45 times 60. We just want to convert it in terms of seconds. So 45 times 60, we are getting 2,700 seconds. And now we have a 24-kilometer trip. 24 kilometers is equal to 24 times 1,000. That's 24,000 meters, like this. Now let's go. It stops for 1 minute at each of 7 stations. So it means even though the train uses 45 minutes, at some of the minutes it was not actually moving, it was stopped. It was at a point, it stops at some points. In that case, we have to take out those minutes from the total time that is given in the question. And so it stopped at 7 stations, and each of the 7 stations, so 7 stations, and at each of the 7 stations it spent 1 minute over there. So what do? Then we have to say that 7 times 60 seconds, and we'll get our time in seconds. The time stopped, let me see, time stopped, time stopped is equals to this. So let me multiply and say 60 times 7, and you get 420. So time stopped, time moved, time moved. That would now be 2700 minus 420 minus 420, and you get 2280 seconds. This is the seconds it used to move. Yes, it was in motion. So they are saying that we should calculate the average speed of the train. So the average speed is equals to the distance, total distance, over total time. And so our total distance that we moved is 2400 all over 2280 seconds. So it's in meters. So we do that. So we have 24000 over 2280, and so you are getting something like 19 meters per second. And this is our answer for the A. This is for the A. Let's come to the B. What will be the average speed if the stop at each station was reduced to 20 seconds? And so now we have the stops are now no more 1 minute, but it's just 20 seconds. So we need to find a new stop time. So new stop time is equals to 7 times 20 seconds, and so you get 140 seconds in total. So let's say new moved time is equals to 2700 minus 140, and so you get something like 2700 minus 140. You are getting 2560 seconds. So we can then calculate the average speed for that. So B, average speed is equals to 2400 for the total journey, distance for the total journey over the time, 2560 seconds. This is in meters, and so we 2560. Okay, so we get 9 meters per second. Okay, so this is the new average speed after the stop time being reduced to just 20 seconds. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. We go on to look at the next set of questions.